If you want to connect a GoDaddy domain to Shopify, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can point your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store without confusion. This is a really useful setup if you already own a domain and want to launch your online store with a professional custom web address. By the end, your domain will be linked properly, and you'll know exactly where to update the DNS settings. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Shopify tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look down to the bottom left and click Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Domains. This is where Shopify manages all of your domain connections, whether you're buying a domain through Shopify or connecting one from an external provider like GoDaddy. Now click Connect Existing Domain. Since you already have your domain registered at GoDaddy, this is the option you want. In the field that appears, type in your domain name. Make sure you enter it correctly, without any extra spaces or errors. After that, click Next. Shopify will now show you the DNS information you need to add on the GoDaddy side. The most important records here are the A record and the CNAME record. Shopify typically provides an IP address for the A record, and for the CNAME record, you'll use shops.myshopify.com. Keep this tab open or copy these values somewhere safe, because you'll need them in just a moment. Next, open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. Sign in to the GoDaddy account where your domain is registered. Once you're logged in, click My Products. Under the Domain section, find the domain you want to connect, then click DNS or Manage DNS. This takes you to the area where you can edit your domain records. Now you're going to update the records so they point to Shopify. First, look for the A record, usually the one with the host symbol @ Edit that record and replace the current value with the Shopify IP address you copied earlier. Then find the CNAME record for www and change its destination to shops.myshopify.com. This tells visitors who type www.yourdomain.com to go to your Shopify store. Be careful here and make sure you only change the correct records. If you see multiple A records or conflicting entries, you may need to review them so only the proper Shopify values are active. For many users, the goal is to have one A record pointing to Shopify's IP and one CNAME record for www pointing to shops.myshopify.com. Once you've entered the new DNS values, click Save in GoDaddy. Sometimes DNS changes can take a little while to update across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't verify instantly. In many cases, it starts working within a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on your domain settings and propagation. After saving in GoDaddy, go back to Shopify. Return to the Domain section and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check whether your domain is pointing to the correct DNS records. If everything is set properly, Shopify should confirm that the domain is connected successfully. If the verification doesn't pass right away, give it some time and check the records again in GoDaddy. Make sure the A record and CNAME record were entered exactly as required. A small typo can stop the connection from working, so double-check everything carefully. And that's it. You've now connected a GoDaddy domain to Shopify and set up the DNS records needed to make your store accessible through your custom domain. This is one of the most important steps in building a professional Shopify store, and now you know how to do it yourself. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Shopify setup tutorials, website tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.